Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng air sign sa mundo. Kung hindi ko makuha, okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jane Tarot Reader. And yeah, feel free to like, subscribe, and please do comment down below kahit po heart-heart lang. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. At kung pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pwede naman kung makaka-relate ka, baliktad. Pwedeng ang nakukuha kong sitwasyon ay yung sa person mo at hindi yung sa'yo. So, kahit sinasabi kong ikaw, pwedeng person mo yon. Depende sa kung paano ka makaka-relate dito. So, bahala ka ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. So, let's start air sign. What we have here for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Wait lang, guys. Okay, so let's start. Kunin natin yung main energy mo sa person mo. Love rating to, ha? Air sign. You over the lovers. Okay. Strength card. Six of Wands and the Temperance. Okay, tapos, person nakakonect mo. For air sign. Person nakakonect mo, Five of Cups. Okay. Five of Cups, Queen of Swords. King of Swords, Four of Swords, Five of Cups, and the Page of Wands. Okay. Nakakita tayo ng communication sa inyo ng person na to. So, kung wala kayong communication, maybe this is not your reading na nakakita tayo ng communication. Kung meron, hindi naman ganun communication na talagang may at maya yung pag-uusapan. But I can see communication. The lovers, I can see a beautiful connection sa inyong dalawa. Maybe a connection with the strength card na masyado ng malalim, masyado ng matibay. But parang ang hirap na nitong tanggalin. No? Ang hirap ng alisan, ang hirap ng kalimutan. With the Six of Wands, I feel like this could be you. Doing something about the past. Maybe you are feeling a lot of sensitivity ngayon. Pwedeng sensitive ka with regards to your emotions, with regards to your spiritual connections. At nakikita natin that maybe there's conflict here na willing kang harapin. This is you having this, kumbaga parang may ano ka na ngayon nag-matured ka na. So, you know what to do in life, you know what you want in life, and so yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may kinalaman to sa mga dati, masyado ka nagsa-self-sabotage, masyado mong kinakalaban yung sarili mo, emotions mo, etc. But now with the Temperance, nakikita natin yung strength mo dito. Hindi ka nagmamadali. That's not the point. What I see is that you're still doing the action na tingin mo, kailangan mong gawain kasi mas sensitive ka na sa nasa isip mo, mas realistic ka na sa nasa isip mo, emotions mo, at mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. And with regards to your person, this person with the King of Swords is, cold, stress, pagod. Four of Swords, I can see a person na parang pinipilit niya yung sarili niyang wag masaktan or wag mag-isip sa'yo, but hindi niya mapigilan eh. The Five of Cups, this person is nasasaktan, nalulungkot, and with the Page of Wands, maybe nalulungkot siya pag hindi ka communicate, or hindi ka nagme-message. Things like that. Maybe this person is expecting from you. Nag-expect siya ng time, nag-expect siya na may gagawin ka, may sasabihin ka, or maybe nag-expect siya na I don't know, it's like etong person ito is having some kind of suffering right now. Nagsasuffer siya sa mga iniisip niya ngayon. Like, nagsasuffer siya sa mentally, emotionally. This person is thinking about you. Ganun. So, nalulungkot. The message is nalulungkot siya pag hindi ka nag-message or nagkipag-connect sa kanya. Like, hindi pwede. Kailangan lagi ka mag-connect sa akin. Lagi ka mag-message. Ganun. Gusto niya siya yung cold. So, what is the emotion sa inyong dalawa ng person ito? Coffin is here, the Hammer, and the Grim Reaper. You do over the Coffin. So, I don't know, maybe you're thinking of I feel like you're trying to fix something sa buhay mo. Maybe you're trying to transform your life, and I feel like you're focusing on your changes na ginagawa sa buhay mo. Maybe you're ending of things. You're trying to end things or thinking of ending, you're thinking of, something to do with an ending sa buhay mo. Parang may gusto kang i-end, may dapat kang i-end kasi feeling mo wala ng chance na dapat tapusin na to, etc. I don't know what kind of ending, pero ito ay may kinalaman sa iyong growth. Na pag in-end mo itong bagay na ito, sitwasyon na ito, person na ito, whatever, kung ano man itong ending na ito, you feel like magkakaroon ka ng growth sa sarili mo pag in-end mo itong bagay na to. So, you're thinking about that. So, how about your person? Anong emotions niya for you? Mask is here, followed by the Sword and Rose. Emotions niya para sa'yo. Followed by the Dragonfly. Ayan. Bottom of the deck is the Talking. So, I mean, hindi ito mag-a-apply sa mga connection na walang communication kasi I can see communication dito. With the Mask, nakikita natin itong person na to, not showing itong kanyang real emotions para sa'yo. Pero ang totoo niyan, it's just pagkukunwari. Because this person is punong-puno ng pagkukunwari, but things are about to change. With the Dragonfly, nakikita natin at itong person na ito, gusto niya na mabago yung situation ninyo. I feel like may mga bagay siyang ika-cut off, tatanggalin, and maybe it has something to do with the truth. Like, matagal niyang iniwasan or pinrotektahan because might be ayaw niyang masira, might be yung connection ninyo, yung pagkakaibigan ninyo, kung ano man meron sa inyo, maybe ayaw niyang masira kung ano yung situation meron siya, but I feel like this person is about to change. Maaaring malapit na siyang magkaroon ng lakas ng loob to tell you the truth about sa kung ano yung emotions niya para sa'yo. I can see the word siblings. So, I don't know, maybe it involves siblings. So, pwedeng kapatid niya, kapatid mo, it doesn't matter. Pero nakakita tayo ng tension doon. Yeah, this person wants to talk to you. And to tell you what he or she truly feels. Or ano ba talaga yung nararamdaman niya. Photograph is here. This person is always looking at your photos. Lagi siya nakatingin doon. And you do have your healthy choices. So, I feel like this person is gusto niya maging masaya eh. So, gagawa siya. I mean, if there's choices sa kanyang buhay ngayon, nakakita tayo dito ng choice kung saan gusto niya talaga mag-take ng risk. This person is, magte-take ng risk dito. I feel like there's these issues na gusto niya magkaroon ng closure. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? What is the near future for the both of you? Five of Swords, Page of Swords is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Page of Coins and the Two of Coins. What's with the Page of Swords and the Five of Swords? Seven of Swords. What's with the Page of Coins and the and the Two of Coins? Nine of Wands. Honestly, kanya-kanya kayo ng mga haharapin dito in the future. Like, hindi lang siya yung may haharapin or may gagawain, but maybe ikaw din, may kailangan ka ring harapin or gawain dito in the future. I feel like with the Five of Swords, may mga changes sa'yo na pwedeng may mga ibang tao na involved dito and pwedeng pati sila ay maapektuhan. And with the Page of Swords, maybe it has something to do with the children or a child, or maybe well, I can see you focusing on the things na gusto mo talaga sa buhay mo. Yeah. And the Seven of Swords, I feel like you are going to like go for it. Yan, nakakita tayo dito ng challenge wherein pareho ninyong hinaharap ito. And if ever there's children na involved sa connection nito, mas lalong ganun ano. Mas nakikita natin na pati yung mga children na ito ay kailangan mag-adjust. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune is here. There's this big change for you. With the Six of Swords, pwedeng may kailangan mag-move on dito. Well, actually, dalawa lang yan. Kailangan mag-move on ng mga children. Like, if you do have a child or merong child, itong person na to, they need to move on from possible connection between a mother and possible limitation pagdating sa child responsibilities. I don't know, I'm getting this feeling na possible na if may children na involved, pwedeng magkaroon ng separation ng mga magulang, parang ganun. But it depends. Yung iba sa inyo, you are the one or both of you needs to have some kind of closure and then kayo na lang yung mag-move on sa connection na meron sa inyo. So, depende. Depende sa kung ano yung magiging desisyon ninyo sa buhay na to. But, kung ano man yung magiging desisyon ninyo, nakakita tayo ng growth dito for you and for this person. Okay? Growth. Okay? So, sino ba yung gusto ninyong mag-move on? Kayo or yung children na involved sa inyo? Some of you, there's children involved. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.